Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is gonna be a night routine, but my night routine is gonna start really early today. It is literally just 1 o'clock. I just got back from work. I'm a part-time paraprofessional and today was the last day of school. So I got the whole summer to myself. Well, obviously with the baby and everything, but we are going to start the night routine so we can have a chill evening, start our summer off right. So we are going to get straight into it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So when I literally got back home, I dropped off my bag in the room and my fiance and the baby is sleeping. It's so adorable. Both of them are just knocked out. So I'm gonna have a chill shower. I'm going to take a shower, wash my hair, everything, and then we're just gonna start off our afternoon / evening out correctly and just chill. So let's go take a shower. My outfit for today, I just had a regular black shirt on, my Levi jeans, and then I had Nike sneakers on. Obviously took them off, switched them to my Crocs, but today was literally 100 degrees out. Yesterday was 100 degrees as well. And yeah, really hot out there, and I wore black. Smart, right? So we are going to go take a shower now, like I said, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick. But yes, let's go. Before I take a shower, I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use. I'm almost running out of this. This is an Ivory Gentle Body Wash. This smells so good. I don't know why I had picked this up. I was like, let me try out a new soap. But this is really good, but I usually use the Dove soap. If you guys have watched my videos before, I've been using Dove soap forever. This is what I've been using forever as well. This is the Tresemme shampoo. And I don't have the Tresemme conditioner, so I'm using this conditioner. At the moment, this is the Living Proof conditioner, and literally this smells like if you just came out straight out of a hair salon. So these are the 3 products I use. For my face, I usually just use a soap that I put on my body. Maybe I should just invest in a soap for my face, because I usually wash my face and everything from all the oils and everything from the day. So yeah, but these are the 3 products that I use. So let's go take a shower. So when I got out the shower, the baby was up. So I gave her an apple and carrot patch. And I'm hydrating because this whole morning I've been eating. I got Dunkin' this morning, a caramel craze latte, bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel, hash browns, a donut, and then I ate an empanada, a banana, and pizza before lunch. So my sister-in-law did my braids, and then I did the baby's pouches. I made 4 apple and sweet potato pouches, and now she's just watching TV, and I think I'm gonna read. She looks like she's tired, so she's gonna probably take her second nap. She usually just takes 1 nap. Sometimes she takes like a 30-minute nap in the morning, and like after that, then that's her long nap. But let's see. So for like about a week or so, I've been in a reading slump. So hopefully I'm able to read again. I'm gonna try to start Summer in the City by Alex Astor. Look at how pretty this book is. And the inside is even more beautiful. But hopefully I'm able to start it because I want to get back into reading, but I've been so lazy to do it. That's why you guys are getting a vlog this week. So hopefully by next week or the week after, I'm gonna be doing like a summer reading vlog kind of thing with like different summer books, hopefully. So let's see if I'm able to get back into the zone and see if this baby takes a nap. Are you gonna take a nap? Yes or no? She's like, just staring me down.
How can Mr. Pig and Mr. Mouse continue? Instead of inviting their friends to their house to eat, they can take the food to them.
Ah, guys, I'm so excited. She loves avocado. Sorry, the fan on for the stove is on, but she used to love avocado. I used to give it to her every morning, almost every morning and stuff, and she stopped eating it for some reason. Like, she was just saying nah, maybe it was her teeth or something. That's what we think, that's why she don't want to eat specific things. But I just gave her avocado because she was like because I was cutting an avocado. She knows what I be eating, so I was like, let me give her like 2 pieces to see what she does, and she ate it. So she's just eating it up over there. And also what I made was the beef bowl from TikTok. So the baby had her dinner. She had half avocado. She had a pouch that had apple, avocado, and spinach, and then she also had a little bit of meat. And she had 2 or 3 sweet potato sticks, and she is done. Like, she could have just fell asleep like that. I just took her bath too, so I just drained out the water from the bathtub. So she could have been done, but like, I'm gonna give her her milk too, because I don't like giving her her food like and then her milk right after. But since I know she's about to fall asleep, I'm like, let me give her milk, top it off, let her fall asleep, and then I could possibly read. Let's see. I only read up to page 6, honestly, so let's see what happens. Ice cream sandwich time.
Why is Sanji so weak? The gap in their scores keeps increasing.